Pete here with the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel with a pretty interesting update. Melvin Capital has formally stated it's going bankrupt. I know this was from the 14th. I actually just heard about it the other day. The link for this brochure about Melvin Capital, which will give you insight to things that I think will happen with GameStop, GME, and also AMC, which is AMC stock. So be pretty interesting because this is such a big company. They were also supported by Ken Griffin and Citadel Capital. So there's a lot of interesting things I've been reading online. I'm going to preface those. First of all, this is not stock trading information. This is for entertainment purposes only, and stuff that I read online may or may not be true. You should not act on any of this financial advice. But I think things are coming soon for a lot of people. Could be a positive thing. One of the things that I found and read are simple things that are stating that Melvin Capital is actually taking a lot of short positions from a lot of companies. If that's the case, people are stating that the reason why they're doing that is because they know they're going to go bankrupt anyways. In my opinion, they might be allowing this squeeze to finally happen because they're losing so much money that these other companies give up their short positions. Maybe they'll start buying the AMC stock. Then when they cover and the price goes up, or GME stock, they can also maybe balance out, so to speak. But with the SEC, it's not like a normal business. If I had a normal business and I was declaring bankruptcy, I could have no money and then just declare bankruptcy and try to avoid paying a lot of people. With the stocks, if you realize, it's a little bit different, because I'm sure if you ever bought on margin, what happens is you buy on margin, you expect it to go up. Sometimes this happens, I should say, and then it dips a little bit. All of a sudden you get a margin call and you either have to put more money in the account, which is what they've been doing to fund the loss, or you have to cover, which means when you cover, you're buying the stock, and or you get a forced sale. If you get a forced sale, of course, this has happened to a lot of people. Let's just say it dips down a little bit, you get a forced sale, dump the stock, you lose all your money, but then it goes up the next week. Unfortunately, if you didn't have the money to cover that, when it goes up, you don't profit, but that can happen quite often. So when you're looking at AMC and GameStop, I'm not saying that this is a guarantee. I'm going to have a link to this brochure too, and if you're not sure how the internet works, you can hit Control F and search for anything you want, like bankruptcy, short squeeze, short sale. So there's a lot of terms you might want to look up that you can do that with Control F. So this brochure basically states that they have 21 billion assets under management, and they've also stated that they've made a bunch of problems. Like here, I'm going to Control F, short squeeze, and that'll come up. And they've stated that their problems and some of the stuff they were short selling, things didn't work out well, and that's why they're having problems with the amount of money that they have lost. It also states that they have 3 billion under management that is not listed. Some people are speculating that 3 billion is naked shorts, that's short positions that they don't own, which technically a lot of the SEC naked shorts are legal. They probably have a lot of these naked shorts with GME and AMC. They don't have to list short positions, which most funds don't, but everybody has speculated that that's where a lot of these positions are coming from. Citadel Capital, Melvin Capital, and they're probably right, but don't take my word for it. In addition, they're showing 2 billion of traditional short sales. So those are probably regular short positions. That gives a total of 5 billion short positions. Now, when you're looking at GameStop, AMC, with let's just say these 5 billion in short positions, with other large hedge funds doing the same thing, if this company goes down, that's going to force, well, not financial advice, but it could force the price to go really high because before they shut down and declare bankruptcy 100%, they're going to cover the short positions. And then a lot of people are speculating the price to go up. Where that could land, I don't know. Speculation is at 100, 200, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, hundreds of thousands. I really couldn't tell you on either of both those stocks, but it's going to be very interesting to see what's going to happen in the near future. I understand I'm not the most seasoned trader. I probably started taking classes around 20 years ago, and on and off I've traded, but this is the first time I ever saw this type of thing. So comment below, let me know your thoughts. The link for this will be in the description. Melvin Capital going bankrupt. End of June is when they're officially shutting down and they're having problems paying people. This could affect GameStop, AMC, as well as a bunch of other stocks. We don't know which ones at all. The sad thing about this is actually they're probably just going to set up a new company after they declare bankruptcy. But this kind of thing happens. This is not financial advice. Let me know what you're doing in the comments, though. This is Pete with the Small Business Resource Center. Have a great day and good luck.